Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Sandhu and I'm an architect and an urban designer based in Chandigarh, and I've been associated with Drona since 2015. With Drona, I got the opportunity to work on various heritage conservation and museum projects. And one of the most significant projects was Gandhi Bhavan, located right here in the Punjab University campus in Chandigarh. The project was funded by Getty Foundation USA under the Keeping It Modern initiative, and Drona was commissioned to prepare the conservation management plan of this iconic mid-century modernist building. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through each and every detail of this project.
Gandhi Bhavan is a landmark modernist designed by the French-Swiss architect Pierre Jeanneret. It was constructed in association with the university's chief architect B.P. Mathur and engineer Agya Ram. The construction of the building was completed in 1962 and inaugurated by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India. Gandhi Bhavan has been funded twice under the Keeping It Modern grant of the Getty Foundation for its conservation management plan from 2015-17 and implementation works from 2020 to 2022. Gandhi Bhavan is a testimony to the culmination of modernism as an aesthetic, historic, and intercultural movement in India. Its conservation seeks not only to address its cultural, historic, and aesthetic significance, but also serves as a resource for the future conservation discourse for modern heritage in India, integrating new technologies and approaches with established protocols and standards. The Conservation Management Plan is based on extensive background research, testing of materials, and technical analysis by the multidisciplinary team comprising of a range of experts and organizations such as Drona and IIT Madras. The plan preparation also aimed to build lasting capacity by supporting training workshops for experts of modernism in India as well as for local professionals in the region. The first phase of the work plan largely comprised of historical and archival research along with documentation of the building. The team worked on tracing the history of repairs and alterations done till date, including oral history recordings of architects, draftsmen, and engineers who had worked with Jeanneret.
I think Gandhi Bhavan is a true symbol of Gandhian philosophy. Three truths: see no evil, do no evil, in that thing. Truth is the God, and he expressed this in Gandhi Bhavan. 3D
laser scanning was also used to generate high precision as-built drawings and a virtual model of the building. A detailed condition assessment was carried out by the conservation architects, material experts, and structural engineers using techniques by visual and mechanical surveys, ground penetrating radar, and thermal imaging. The scientific testing involved sampling of various materials for strength, composition, mechanical, and physical behavior. The exterior facade comprises of 3600 concrete grid panels clad to the walls, which were visually and mechanically assessed for issues like cracks, loss of material, discoloration, deposits, repairs, and detachment. The condition of the surrounding reflective pool and its significant role in passive cooling was also recorded in detail, including its core testing for seepage issues. The work also involved mapping and assessment of the interior finishes and the movable furniture designed by Jeanneret himself. With discussions and consultation from experts and stakeholders, the policies and implementation program was finalized, including building use, interpretation, retrofitting as per modern needs, and conservation works to ensure long-term maintenance of the building. This involved mock-ups like rebuilding of concrete grit wash panels to match with the original, making of terrazzo flooring samples in similar grain and color, installation of acoustic panels in the auditorium ceiling, and waterproofing of a small section of the water body to address the seepage issue of the pool base. The entire conservation lab was also involved in testing of the paint pigments and wood samples from the furniture, as well as conservation of the original archival drawings of Gandhi Bhavan housed in the University Architecture Department. The entire process of the project has been recorded in a book published by MAPIN and Punjab University with the support of Getty Foundation.
It was a great learning experience for me as the resident architect at Chandigarh, working with multiple experts and coordinating various facets of the project. The support and commitment of Punjab University from the level of Vice Chancellor and Registrar to the Chairperson of Gandhian Studies, Dr. Manish Sharma, is commendable. I am now looking forward to the implementing of conservation works of the pool and the exterior panels as we proceed further with the implementation grant given by Getty Foundation.